I am Dr. T. Srilata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingle Government Degree College, Vadapelli, Warangal. So today we discuss about Oedogonium, chlorophyceae algae. So the Oedogonium, unbranched filamentaceous algae. So they are found in water tanks, water pools, lakes, small ponds, etc. So they are living in fresh water. So they are living in everywhere, small ponds, tanks, water tanks, lakes, etc. This is Oedogonium thallus. So this is unbranched filamentaceous thallus. So filamentaceous thallus means it is look like one ribbon shaped structure. So there is no branches, so it is look like one ribbon shaped structure. So it is divided into two cells. One cell is hold fast. So first cell, the first cell is called hold fast. So that is in finger shaped structure, and there is no chlorophyll cells, so it is colorless. So the hold fast only they attach to the substratum, so they helps to attach to the base. So remaining cells, remaining cells are contain chlorophyll cells, so they are in green in color. So next coming to the coming to the cell structure. So we can see the one single cell, it is made up by three layers. So outer layer is made up by chitin, and middle layer is made up by pectin, and inner layer is made up by cellulose. So the cell wall is made up by three layers: chitin, middle of the layer pectin, and third layer is cellulose. So next, middle of the part is called cytoplasm, and it has one nucleus. So one nucleus present in the cytoplasm, and reticulate chloroplast. So we can see the next pictures. See here, reticulate chloroplast present in the cytoplasm, and so many pyrenates. So we can see the diagram, round shape structure. So so many pyrenates present at the reticulate, present in the reticulate chloroplast. So middle of the part is called cytoplasm, and one nucleus present in the cytoplasm, reticulate chloroplast present in the cytoplasm, and so many pyrenates are present in the reticulate chloroplast. So this is also cell structure. So coming to the cell division. So here coming to the cell division. So this is not cell this is only cell structure, not cell division diagram. So here coming to the cells are undergoes to cell division. So only the hold-plast not undergoes to cell division. So remaining all cells are undergoes to cell division. So here one cell at the time of cell division, the nucleus coming to the middle of the cell. So the nucleus coming to the middle of the cell, and upper side. So here this is one cell, one single cell. We can see the parts, one single cell structure. So here the cell, the nucleus coming to the middle of the cell, and the cell wall, the inner cell forms one round, thick round shape structure. So the inner cell wall forming one round thickness of the cell wall, one round thickening shape of the one ring shape structure. They forming one round thick shape structure at the upper side of the cell. And first stage is the nucleus coming to the middle of the cell. Then the cell wall is the cell wall forms one round ring like structure, very thickening ring like structure. Then the nucleus slowly divided into mitotic division. The nucleus undergoes to mitotic division, and it is divided into two cells. So then upper side of the ring enlarges and this stretches, enlarges and they stretches, and they forms one, and then the ring like the ring like structure stretches and increases, and the ring like structure stretches. Then the daughter cell enter into the ring like structure, and the ring like structure stretches, and they forms one cover cell and cylindrical shaped structure, and the daughter cell enter into the cell, and they forms one cell wall. I tell you once again, the cell undergoes to cell division. So at the time of cell division, the nucleus coming to the middle of the cell. Then at the upper side one ring like structure, the cell forming one thick ring like structure, the cell is forming. Then next stage, the mother cell divided into undergoes to mitosis division, and it is divided into two cells, upper cell and lower cell. So then upper side of the ring increases, and the and stretches, and the ring like structure stretches, and they forms into one cylindrical shape structure. Then the daughter cell enter into that cylindrical shape structure cell. So then middle of the part covered by the cell wall. So they forms one new cell. That cell is called daughter cell. So outer side of the cell wall, outer side of the mother cell wall ruptures, and they forms one cap cell at the upper side of the cell, and they forms one cap cell. The mother cell wall ruptures, and they forms one cap cell at the upper side of the cell wall. So the cap cells are shows the cell was how many times divided. So then coming to the reproduction. So next here the fragmentation. So vegetative reproduction, the cell, the thallus divided into some pieces, and they produces the piece, broken piece forms new plant, they grow into new plant, that is called fragmentation. Then next one is asexual reproduction. So here asexual reproduction, they form one, they forming zoospores. So here they forming zoospores. Here we can see the clear picture here. One cell, the middle of the cell, the cytoplasm coming to the they migrate and they shape into they convert into round shape structure. So they turn into the round shape structure, and they forms upper side, and they producing basal granules. So basal granules, so that basal granules produces blepharoblast. So the basal granules produces blepharoblast, and each blepharoblast produces one flagella. So here did you understand, children? So very clear, the cytoplasm convert into round shape structure, and upper side, and they forms one ring shape structure, and they forms one half moon structure, and the half moon structure present basal granules, and each basal granule produces blepharoblast, and each blepharoblast produces one flagella. So this flagella, so many flagella present half moon structure. So many flagella present at the upper side in half moon structure. So it is look like one cone shaped structure. So it is look like one cone shaped structure. So this type of flagella is called stephanoplant flagella. So complete formation of this zoospore, we can see the fifth picture. So we can see the fifth diagram. We can see the flagella. So complete formation of this zoospore. So flagella is present. So flagella produces in a round shape structure, that is crown like structure, and stephanocone, the type of flagella is called stephanocone type, and this complete formation of zoospore, and the cell wall ruptures, and the zoospores are enter into the water, and they forms one new thallus. So next one is coming to the sexual reproduction. So here the sexual reproduction is oogamous type, and female sex organ is called oogonium, and male sex organ is called antheridium. So here male sex organ. So male sex organ is called antheridium, and female sex organ is called oogonium. So here the cell is divided into the convert into antheridium mother cell, and the antheridium mother cell is divided into so many cells, and so many cells. So each cell, so many antheridiums, and antheridium mother cell is divided into so many cells, and each cell convert into one androspore. So here the androspore having so many flagella at the upper side of the androspore, and there is similar to zoospore but small in size. So the androspore similar to the zoospore but small in size. So then below the antheridium, so oogonium also present. So at the time of sexual reproduction, one cell is changed into oogonium. So here the cytoplasm, the nucleus convert into one egg cell. So we can see the clear this is round shaped structure that is called oogonium. So one cell is changed into oogonium mother cell, and that oogonium mother cell convert into round shaped structure, change into round shaped structure, that is called oogonium. So female sex organ. So that middle of the part total convert into egg cell, and they forms one receptive parts. So here we can see here we can see the two receptive parts. So the oogonium, the middle of the part is complete change into one egg cell, and they having receptive spots. So here the androspores. So the androspores similar into the zoospores, and but small in size. They are similar to the zoospores but small in size. The androspores are enter into the water, and they swim for some time with the help of flagella, and they search for the oogonium, and they enter into the oogonium from receptive spots. So they enter into the oogonium from receptive spots, and only one androspore fusions with oogonium egg cell, and one androspore fusions with one egg cell, and they forms one zygote. So here the zygote is in diploid stage. So the androspores divided into four haploid spores, and they divided into they grow into the new thallus. So here so I tell you once again. This is the life cycle of Oedogonium, and Oedogonium found in fresh water like tanks, water ponds and lakes, etc. And the Oedogonium thallus filamentaceous unbranched type. So the filamentaceous means it is in a ribbon shaped structure, and the cell wall, one single cell wall, we can see the one single cell. So the single cell wall is made up by three layers. Outer layer is made up by chitin, middle layer pectin, and inner layer is cellulose. So next, middle of the part, one nucleus present in the cytoplasm, and reticulate chloroplast present in the cytoplasm, and so many pyrinetes are present in the reticulate chloroplast. Then the cell is undergoes to cell division. So only basal cell, they did not undergoes to cell division. So remaining all cells are undergoes to cell division. So coming to the cell division, so at the time of cell division, so the nucleus coming to the middle of the cell, and one ring like structure and one thick ring like structure forms at the upper side of the cell. So then the nucleus then stage, the nucleus undergoes to mitosis division, and the mother cell is mother nucleus divided into two nucleus, and upper thick ring like structure stretches and increases in the shape of the structure, and they stretches into the cylindrical shape structure, and they forms one new cell, and then this daughter cell enter into the new cell, and they forms middle of the cell wall, and remaining mother cell wall ruptures, and they forms one upper cap cell at the upper side, and this cap cells are shows the cell was how many times divided. The cap cell shows the cell was how many times divided. Next, the cell was divided how many times, so the cap cell shows. So next, coming to the vegetative reproduction, so reproduction takes place by three types: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. So vegetative reproduction, coming to the fragmentation. So fragmentation means, so the thallus divided into small pieces, and that broken piece grow into the new thallus, so that is called fragmentation. And then second one is asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, so then the cytoplasm complete converted to one round shape structure, and are sorry, one ovule shape structure, round shape structure, and ovule shape structure, and they forms basal granules at the upper side, and each basal granule produces blepharoblast, and the blepharoblast produces flagella. So this flagella forms ring like structure, off moon structure, off ring like structure, and they forms they look like one crown like structure. So this crown like structure flagella is called stephanochondrotype, and complete this zoospore formation, and the cell wall ruptures, and the zoospores are enter into the water, and they forms one new thallus. Sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction, antheridium, male sex organ is called antheridium, and female sex organ is called oogonium. Male sex organ is male sex at the time of sexual reproduction, the antheridium, the thallus produces antheridian mother cell, and it is divided into so many cells, and that so many cells, each cell divided into androspores. So this androspore similar to the zoospores, but smaller in size. Complete formation of these androspores, the antheridium structure ruptures, cell wall ruptures, and the the androspores enter into the water, and they search for the oogonium. Then the oogonium, one cell is changed into oogonium mother cell, and the oogonium mother cell is it forms one round shape structure, that is called oogonium, and middle of the pot is complete change into egg cell. So and they forms one receptive spots, and these androspores enter from the receptive spots, and one male gamete fusions with the female gamete, and they forms one zygote. The zygote is in diploid stage, so they undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 cells and 4 haploid cells, and each cell change into Oedogonium thallus. So this is the topic of the Oedogonium life cycle. Thank you.